Hey, you look happy today, Bret.
Yep, I just signed the lease for my new apartment. I used an online platform which made it really easy. The team behind the platform came by and we checked our toolbox for how to serverlessly convert contracts in any format to PDFs.
Great. Stay tuned if you want to learn more.
Emerald Contract is a platform for sharing and signing contracts. In version 1.0 of their service, they let users upload contracts in the PDF format.
In version 2.0 of their platform, they will let users upload contract in other formats as well. All contracts should be converted to PDFs by the Emerald Contract platform.
The dev team has done some research. They found that the software package LibreOffice can convert many file formats to PDFs, and it can run in headless mode.
When Emerald Contract built their service, they went completely serverless. If they don't have servers, where should they install LibreOffice?
The team does some more research, and they find that Cloud Run is serverless, and it can run binaries that they provide, like LibreOffice.
This is the command for LibreOffice to convert a file to PDF.
Using the subprocess module, that command can be called like this from Python.
To run that command, LibreOffice must be installed. The team has used the Alpine Docker image for Python 3 before, and they really like it. This is the command to install LibreOffice in their Alpine-based container and to install common fonts.
Emerald Contract's PDF conversion service now runs serverlessly. This means that they only pay when it is running, and that Google scales it up and down as needed, independently of their other services. They don't have to manage the underlying infrastructure.
You can find a link to sample code for converting PDFs in the notes below. If you use it, you should adapt it to your environment and security requirements.
So far, so good. But one of the developers at Emerald Contract is worried about performance. They manually download and install LibreOffice in their developer machine. That takes about 40 seconds. Will each user of the service have to wait that long?
The team runs a simple performance test using this PDF conversion service they built. They add code to log the time spent in the LibreOffice conversion command. Then they convert a 100 kilobyte test file. They use Cloud Run's default CPU and memory settings.
When there's a cold start, meaning that the service is loaded on a new machine by Cloud Run, the total execution time is about 16 seconds. 10 of those seconds are spent running the LibreOffice conversion command.
Subsequent conversions run in less than 3 seconds. Almost all of that time is spent running the LibreOffice conversion command.
On Cloud Run, the size of your container image does not affect cold start or request processing time and doesn't count towards the available memory of your container.
Now that the dev team knows how to load and call binaries, they're able to revisit other features that have been sitting in their backlog for a long time.
For example, they need to watermark images, zip files, and create vector-based images.
These features are easier to build when you can use binary packages like ImageMagick, libzip4, and Inkscape.
Hey Martin, what are you doing on Thursday night?
Thursday was nothing, I think.
Great. You can help me move into my new apartment and pick out a Wi-Fi password.
Oh, actually, Bret, I forgot. I'm feeding my fish then.
Feeding your fish?
Yeah.
To learn about what else you can do with Cloud Run, see this episode. In the comments below, let us know how you use binary libraries in Cloud Run, or if you have any questions you'd like us to answer on the show.